Have you ever asked ChatGPT for something, but it refused to do it? Well, you're not alone. It's actually quite common. And that's why today I'll take you step by step through the process of getting through issues. That's right. We'll be looking at an actual example of a problem that arose during my latest live stream. I was showing you how to use the mother of all prompts, a quite advanced Chat GPT command that allows you to take one use case and generate hundreds of examples from that. But that's not what this video is about. It's about the fact that while using it, we ran into an issue that we could not solve and it didn't work. To be more concrete, we asked it to generate examples of benefits that could be provided, and it refused. Instead of giving us examples of benefits, it always just used the word benefits. My hope is that this video is going to teach you how to handle problems with ChatGPT, because you're about to see me fail 3 times in a row with different follow-up prompts. None of them fixed the problem I had, but eventually we get this to work. One more thing, don't be intimidated by the complexity of what we're about to look at. The takeaway from this video is different ways you can handle problems in ChatGPT. With that being said, here's my first attempt at correcting ChatGPT. You forgot to replace the benefits. Try again. Or maybe I can be even more specific with different use cases. Try again. And I'm just gonna run this. And now it should go ahead and replace the benefits. And it doesn't. So this was the basic approach. And I'll tell you from experience, 8 out of 10 times, this is gonna fix it. And all of a sudden it's gonna do exactly what you want it to do. It's gonna replace the benefits. Now we're gonna ask differently, just like in real life. We're gonna get a little more strict here, okay? We're gonna expand this prompt, okay? We're gonna say, you forgot to replace the benefits with different use cases. Try again. And what do we add? Just like I told you, we're gonna add another prompt block. And again, in the course, we're gonna go into this like step by step, but just take my word for it. One of the best things you can do is add like a input and output examples like this. So we're gonna go ahead and say, you forgot to replace the benefits with different use cases. And then we're gonna say, for example, you should have replaced benefits with, and we're gonna use one of the examples here. With, and then we're gonna copy it again. And we're gonna give it the output example, outlining the incredible sea view and the complimentary spa offered by their sustainable practices and carbon neutral footprint. And we'll say, now try again. Okay, hold up. I know this looks complicated, but it's actually not. Let me explain this. All we're doing here is adding one part which says, for example, you should have replaced A with B. That's it. And this is really helpful because you're telling the language model exactly what you expect it to do with your input. Let's keep going. So let's hope it gets it done now. Outlining the benefits offered with varied benefits. Okay. Outlining the benefits offered by the streamlined, and it didn't work. Didn't work. We gave it our best so far. It still didn't work. And look, am I a little bummed out that this didn't work on a second attempt? Of course. But that's the reality of this. If you want to use this and you want to use this at a slightly advanced level, you're not going to always get the results you want in a few seconds, all right?
Yes, very sad. Anyway.
So we're going to keep trying here until we crack this. Let's just try simply. You forgot to replace the benefits in examples 2 to 10 again. Please replace them with custom benefits for the according example. Again, we're specific, right? He forgot in 2 to 10. He didn't forget in number 1. Sometimes it just takes a little more effort like this, okay? It's just the nature of the beast right now. Let's see if this works. It still doesn't do it, huh? I think at some core level with this one concrete prompt, if I'm seeing this, it has a really hard time replacing this. Okay, so at this point in the live stream, I tried 3 times and it still wasn't working. And now I need you to pay attention because what I do next is change my approach. Instead of going this route over and over again, I decide to take a different route and I ask it a question. Here's another trick. Why are you not replacing the benefits part of the formula? You can always ask. I apologize for the confusion. I misunderstood your previous request. To address your concern, I will replace the benefits parts of the formula with custom benefits for each example. It gets it. And this made it work. This made it work, ChatGPT. You did it. Perfect. Look at that. Outlining the positive impact on their community, blah, blah, blah. It replaced the benefits. We did it.
Nice.
And this is what it looks like, right? This is prompt engineering at its core. If you wondered, it's this. You sit here, you type into your keyboard all day and you make these different use cases work. All right, so if you want to watch the whole live stream, including a Q&A about AI we had after the fact, you can check it out right here. We're going to be testing different Chat GPT techniques, tips and tricks like this every Monday live at 1 p.m. EST. So come join us and feel free to ask your questions right there live. I'll see you there.